everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be tracking the threat of severe weather today, tomorrow, and for Wednesday. So let's get into this video. And yeah, let's get into this video here. So we have an enhanced risk for today. We have an enhanced risk for today for Texas and Oklahoma here. This includes Oklahoma and Texas. Texas and Oklahoma is an enhanced risk today. And then, as we get into tomorrow, we have a slight risk for New Mexico and Texas, and a slight risk for Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa. The same areas that were affected by severe weather just yesterday. And then on Thursday, we got another risk of severe weather for Thursday here, which that is for the same areas as impacted yesterday. But this is for Thursday's severe weather threat. This one includes Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, and that's where it includes. The slight risk is bigger, and it includes Kansas as well now too. That slight risk does. And the marginal risk is big. It goes all the way from Texas all the way up into the Great Lakes, near the Great Lakes region, which is actually pretty crazy stuff. Here's what we currently have around over here right now. We have some more heavy rainfall near Rhinelander. Nothing to be concerned about. What we're going to show you right now is we're going to show you guys the forecast models and what's expected to occur, and what the storms will look like once they do have an impact, which obviously gets me concerned here. So let's get the 48-hour loop up. Alright, let's show y'all what's going to happen here. So it shows an area. So it will show that the storms that will develop up in on the 10th at about. So the storms that will develop in here. So there will be some stormy weather in Iowa overnight tonight. And as we get into tomorrow morning, there's going to be some stormy weather in the in the Great Lakes. What we're concerned about is that severe weather potential on the 12th, which could create some big impacts. And here we are, right here. So this is for Wednesday. So this is tomorrow. You can see the you see all this so here's all that rain and storming weather that will be likely tomorrow for Wednesday. For Wednesday, and then they'll clear out later on tonight. They'll clear on later on tomorrow night. But that will be a crazy night of severe weather there. And if you look, and if you can see all that convection, you can see all that. So by about 8 p.m., the storms will be around Lubbock. So by 8 p.m. tonight, the storms will be around Lubbock here. And then as we move, 8:41, the storms will be moving through Lubbock. And then at 9 o'clock, the storms will be out of Lubbock. It will get calmer in Lubbock, but still some heavy rain. And then closer to 10 o'clock hour, as we get closer to that 10 o'clock time frame, the storms will be near the Oklahoma border, and then they'll continue until they get to Oklahoma and then have a weakening trend. But that's going to be the timeline for those storms that enter that area. Okay? But as I am saying, severe weather is not the big concern today. I mean, it is, but it's not moderate or high risk, but I still have to be concerned for that. But so if we take a look at the take a look at Surface Cape for you guys and show y'all how bad that is. You can see that it says high as 5,500 joules, which is ridiculous amount of Cape in this type of in May. But it's still that is a lot of Cape. Over here in Oklahoma City, high Cape as well. And the Cape it gets even more unbelievable up in Iowa. 5,000 joules. This is for tomorrow's severe day. I mean Thursday. This is for Thursdays. Thursday's gonna be crazy. Okay, so that's your Surface Cape. And okay, so what's gonna happen there? Okay. So yeah, that was just a quick severe weather alert video that I did there. I'll see you guys later in the next one. Excuse me, wait a second. We gotta give me a second before I end it. We got a massive scale discussion out. Okay, I might stream later. But until then, I'll see you guys later.